Hey everyone, this is Mo Beauty coming back to you with another video, another episode. I'm so excited because I've hit over 100 subscribers, so this just motivates me to continue on with my video. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more of my videos. So today, as you see, I'm making a DIY flower wall. You don't have to break the bank to get these flower walls that everyone has in their suites, on their bedrooms, in their rooms, lash rooms, and things like that. So I'm showing you exactly what I did. This is going to be a quick video with voiceover. And so what I did was, as you see, I have a foam board I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a whole bunch of flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was took them off the stem. And now what I'm doing is pushing a hole, like puncturing it, not really putting a hole in the foam board, because what you're going to do is like puncture the foam board with the screw. I think it's a screw or a nail, something that has like a little point on it. And then I use the tip of the flower to push the hole into the foam board. And then after that, I did row after row. I glued it down with the glue gun, and those little beads really holds those flowers. When I tried to move the flower, it was hard for it to come off. So once you glue it down, and you see after I do that one row, I'm gluing each piece down as well. Them flowers are not going nowhere. I promise you, they are not going nowhere. So that's all that I did for the whole entire time. I went row by row, and as you see, I'm trying to figure out my color pattern, my color scheme as I'm doing it. It came out really beautiful. I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 3 more. Now I went to the Dollar Tree, got these flowers. The flowers were about I got about 40 to 45 flowers, so maybe close to $50. I didn't even use all those flowers, so I want to say maybe for that one foam board, maybe $25, because I still have a whole bushel of flowers. I'm gonna get some more flowers because I don't want them to all be just one particular flower. I bought like all different bushels of flowers, and pretty much that's all that I did. So I'm pretty much done with, the video. Like I said, this is a short video. Make sure y'all check out my other videos, how I made my hibiscus shampoo. Also, how I made my marshmallow root and slippery elm leave-in conditioning spray. You can also see that on my website, mobeauty.com, mobeaute.com. Make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram. And that will be Mo Beauty Glam Bar, which I'm about to start my body contouring series. At the end of this month, I will be a certified body contouring specialist for a med spa that I will be opening up in Atlanta. Also, I'm a certified lash tech. I will start having lash videos as well on my channel. Just more to come from me. As you see, I think I am done with the flower wall. I really love it. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that y'all comment on whatever you want to see. Like I said, I'm moving up. My subscribers are going up. I'm getting more motivated to put out more videos, better content. As you see, I changed my intro. And you just never know what you're going to get from me. So just keep on tuning in. Keep watching my videos. Keep supporting me. I thank all of y'all for watching my video. For all the new people that are watching my video, thank you for tuning in. I hope that y'all learned something. I'm about learning what I have learned from people and giving it back to other people, inspiring people to be an entrepreneur, inspiring people to do DIYs, because you don't have to break the bank to get what you want. It's always a way around it. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first. Until next time, love y'all. Smooches.